We restored this 100-foot driveway. It was cracked and it sunk. We did this using our special rebar stitching process. We saw cut the rebar and then placed it in the saw cuts, and we also saw cut the crack itself. We poured a special mix with polymers, fiber mesh, waterproofing, and all kind of other stuff. It kind of welds the driveway back together. And then we diamond grind what we poured. You can see here it's nice and even. That's better than trying to finish the concrete while you're pouring it in. Much cleaner, faster process. We stitch with pencil rod the smaller cracks, and we also filled the middle of the driveway with a special material and then diamond grinded that also. When we were all done diamond grinding everything, we raised the front by the garage where it sunk, and then we used our magic mix and rolled the entire driveway to give us a brand new looking driveway. Thanks for watching.